Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get free Amazon Prime. And to do this, first you will need to create a new account and then find whichever region you're in by clicking on this flag right here, change country or region, and then pick your specific region where you live in. Then when it's ready, we can click and hover our mouse over our account and go for the Prime. Here you should find start your free 30 days trial and click on that. Then you'll need to add your payment method. You can click on change right here or create your own paying method, whatever. Just add whichever one you have. You can also include Audible if you like, but I'm not gonna do that. Then simply start your 30-day free trial right here, and if you want to use it for 30 days only, make sure to cancel that membership almost immediately after you create one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.